going to show you how to make a very simple mint and fruit and a few vegetable chutney. Very popular in Punjabi households to have a chutney, and you basically keep it in the fridge and you bring it out for every meal you have a bit with your chapati or with your dal or your sabji on the side, on top of your paratha, even with a char, pickle. So this chutney has basically got 1 banana, 2 carrots, 2 onions, 1 avocado, 2 apples, and we're going to put salt, pepper and sugar. So it's a sweet chutney, and the secret ingredient is mint. It's not a chutney without mint. So basically everything gets blitzed in the food processor. So we're going to throw in, go in there. What we'll do is we'll just give it a quick blitz as we go along. So nice and fine. We'll throw in apples, which we've chopped. Obviously you can chop them finer, just it's easier for everything to come together. And we'll leave the avocado and banana to banana. It's quite full, that is, actually, so you're probably better using a bigger blender than this. Don't you reckon? I think most home blenders are quite bigger than this, but we'll get it all in there. And we've got an avocado, so the avocado is quite soft anyway. And it's all trial and error. We're going to add in some spices first, some salt. We'll just put, what we'll do is we'll basically do this to taste. So add it in and then see how it tastes, and then put a bit more in. Just a little bit of salt and a little bit of masala as well. There you go. And also we're going to put some sugar in. So it's got quite a few sweet ingredients in there anyway, but you know, put just a spoonful of sugar. This is caster sugar, so any sugar will do. That's what was in the drawer first, so that's what I'm using. And I'm just going to give that a whisk up. And then the main ingredient, no chutney is complete without mint. Again, mint, mother used to grow this in the garden. Most Indian households will grow this just in a pot, and it just grows and grows and grows. But we haven't got any at the moment, so we bought it from a nice local shop, and basically taken it, just torn it off the stalks, and we're going to add that in. There's quite a bit of mint there. So we'll just put sort of half of it in, give it a mix and see how it goes. It's a bit small, this blender. There you go. You have a look. Coming together. All different colours. Add some of these leaves to the top. Every so often just scrape off the sides, make sure it's all mixed in. And as you can see, it's quite a nice thick consistency, and you basically refrigerate it and just use a spoon, a dollop on the side of whatever meal you're eating, whatever Punjabi Indian meal you're eating, usually with roti, with a chapati, and it goes with everything as an accompaniment, and that will last quite a few days. Give that another. So we've only been going, what, about 5 minutes, throw everything in. As you can see, I don't know how this comes off. Oh, actually, does this come off?
Yeah.
Okay, it does. But anyway, if you use a spoon, show you the consistency that it's come out, and there you've got is a mint and fruit chutney. Very easy to make. You can experiment. You can leave the avocado out, you could leave the banana out, you could just use the mint, apples and carrots, and you can also experiment with different spices. Another thing some people do is add a bit of ketchup in, so you can add a bit of ketchup to give it a bit more of a saucy flavour. The choice is yours, but the base ingredient is the mint, and it gives it the nice, fresh, refreshing taste to go as an accompaniment with any dish. There you have mint chutney.